Hello and welcome to Crochet Smash. Today let us do the Sedge stitch, which is a combination of a single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. I made a swatch. This is a lot of texture, so let us use the cotton yarn to start today's project. I'm going to use Bernat Handicrafter. This color is teal. So the pattern calls for multiple of 3 plus 2 as base stitch. So what is Sedge stitch? It's a combination of a single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet in the same stitch. So we are going to make multiple of 3 plus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 2. So 2. Now on the second stitch, second chain from the hook, we are taking this one. Make a half double crochet. Then make a double crochet in the same stitch. Then we are going to skip 2 stitches, then again going to make single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. Then skip next 2 stitches, then make again single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. Now we have 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3 left to work. So we skip next 2 stitches, and the third stitch we are just going to make 1 single crochet and then make a chain 1. The turning chain considered as a single crochet in the pattern. So we are going to make, this is a single crochet, right? So we are going to make a half double crochet and a double crochet in the first single crochet we made in the last round. Then we are going to skip 2 stitches. Hope you can see. Skip the 2 stitches and the third, which is a single crochet. So we are going to make a single crochet and half double crochet and double crochet. Then we are going to skip the next 2 stitches and the third stitch, that is a single crochet from previous round. We are going to do the sedge cluster. Single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. Then there is only one more sedge cluster left from the previous round. We are going to make a single crochet in the, after skipping 1 and 2, we are going to do that single crochet in the turning chain here. That's a pattern. So chain 1, then in the beginning, that single crochet we are going to make half double crochet and double crochet. Then we are going to skip next 2 stitches of the previous sedge cluster, and we are going to make a single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. Single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, and the on top of the turning chain we are going to make a single crochet. Let's make sure it is on top of that turning chain. This is the turning chain here. Okay, we make a single crochet there. So we are getting the edges so straight. When we start the row, after chaining one, we do the half double crochet and double crochet in the same stitch here. Then go to the next skip 2, on top of the single crochet we make a single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. That's the pattern. We end with the single crochet. That is how we get that straight edges. Okay, so this one I made almost like a 5.5 by 5.5 square. This one we are just making a strip like this. So once we get to the desired length, we will meet again. I'm going to make about a half of my palm size, this much. Then we will meet again. I made up to this one. Now I'm going to make chain 1, single crochet, one more single crochet. I'm going to do an edging, one single crochet in all the sides, and here it is 2, 3 single crochet in the corner, and one single crochet in each of the foundation stitch. This side is my foundation stitch where I worked all my chain stitches. Now in this one we make 3 single crochet. Then we go to the side and make a 1 single crochet in each one. One single crochet in each row. This one is the final side. We make a 1, 2, 3 single crochet in the corner and 1 single crochet on top of each stitches. We can cut the yarn and weave the ends. Lock this one in place. And we can weave the ends, and just like this one. Small one, big one. This can be used as a sparkle to wash your face and stuff like that. This also can be used like that, or you can use it as a washcloth to do your dishes, maybe dishcloth. If you go like this continuously, you can have a scarf, or if I make a skinny one like this to go around my head, it can be a headband. Whatever your imagination takes you. Easy stitch with a lot of texture. Fun to do, very addictive stitch. See you next time with the next pattern. Till then, bye.